Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video.
Bro, I feel like I'm in zombie.
I'm stepping on this because I need to check the oil on my car, but we have a bit of a different video today. We're going on a road trip, and you know what? It's raining out, so I was like, let's volunteer my car as a tribute. It has all-wheel drive system, so we're gonna see how well it does in a 2-ish hour drive up to PA. Maybe we'll come across some snow, maybe we won't. Maybe we'll take the scenic route. I don't know yet. We're about to find out. We gotta make sure we even got oil in this thing. All right.
Whoa. That's what a V8 looks like.
That's not a V8.
That's what a V10 looks like.
Let's check the oil.
No, you do the taste test. Taste it.
I'm gonna taste it. So this is what we got coming on the trip. We got this dude.
POV, you're wearing the same outfit as last time, but it's okay because you're just a chill girl. Chill girl.
Bruh. All right. Bruh. I still need to get a radar detector.
Man, why the car shaking like that?
That wasn't normal.
Right, the bump? The bump, right?
If you guys get bad footage, don't blame me. Blame the videographer.
Bro, I'm the best cameraman in America.
But look, show them how it looks. So it's actually foggy though.
It is, bro.
All right, we're crossing over to PA. Just look outside how foggy it is. It's actually crazy.
This is spooky, bro. Oh my days. Yeah.
All right, chat. So we made it officially to PA. Some minor occurrences that happened between us driving. There's just a lot of water everywhere because it's raining. But we're here.
You recording it?
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right, chat. We can't. Can you? They see the fog?
Yes, bro. Literally, you can't see
there
up
is
front.
nothing
Look, just wait till another car.
Look, it says high beams on, high beams off. Yeah. I don't even know where the road is,
bro. You can't see, and wait until the other side leaves. Like, and you're the only person.
Yo, if there is like a cliff, I can't see anything.
Like, you can't see on the camera. Diego, it just looks like a bunch of like random stuff.
Chat, literally what it looks like on the camera, it looks worse in person.
Flacco, you saying dale like you know what's up front?
I know, I can see.
Flacco's half asleep. Like
Flacco, you just said you don't have your glasses.
I see.
Bro was just like, I should have brought my glasses.
I can actually see this.
Bro, I feel like I'm in zombie, Diego, in Call of Duty.
Oh my god.
Bro, it looks better on the camera. I'm gonna be honest, bro.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the second day after we did the road trip. The drive last night was brutal. I don't remember much of it. I also don't know if there's any footage, but today it's really beautiful out. It's like 55 out, and it's December 29th, and I got this in the mail yesterday, so we're gonna install this. I have no clue if this camera is any good. They were kind enough to send it to me. So we're gonna test it out, see if it's any good. If it's crap, then don't buy it. And if it's good, then I'll recommend it and link it down below in one of the links. But yeah, we're gonna install it. I'm excited because I finally have a dash cam and I can film some content of the inside of the vehicle. So fingers crossed it's a really good camera. I'm gonna figure out how to run all the wires because I have no clue how to do any of that. But I also need to check on the exhaust because last night while I was driving, I kept hearing a lot of noise underneath and I wasn't sure if it was the actual exhaust, but it doesn't look like anything got disconnected. All right, so let's take a look at what we got.
Here, well, first, let's. Oh, I was gonna hit different perspectives.
No, we got this. You can just record this. So we got these two sticky tags. I don't know what the hell to call them. You just got to put them on the actual mirror so you don't.
The mirror, the window.
The window. You got to put it on the actual window so it doesn't actually like the windshield doesn't stick to it. The camera.
Dang.
Inside.
Let's get a close-up.
Front side.
So in simple terms, guys, what we're going to be connecting this into is the tiny cigarette holder right here. But since we're going to put the cameras up here, we have to put the wires all throughout this whole entire thing, all the way to here, and then do the same exact thing for the back one. Whoa, that light is blue, guys. If you cannot tell, that's
you know what sucks about that though? Now I'm thinking I won't be able to close this.
But that doesn't matter, bruh.
I guess it doesn't. I guess you're right. All right, let me. Oh wait,
yo, that's actually good. What the heck?
Oh, this is gonna be crazy.
Yo, we're gonna get everybody clipped.
Everybody's getting caught in 4K. I just don't want to put it. I don't want this to block the view, the rear view mirror. So we gotta find a spot where like.
Yo, now we're gonna get all the clips of you getting pulled over. So that visibility is actually pretty good. It's like from right here. So I'm standing like 2 parking spots away. It's like 2 parking spots away for each side. Yo. Guys, I don't get paid to do this, so please subscribe so that he can eventually pay me.
All right, so we have the best spot for this right now. We're gonna stick this on. I have no clue how to do this.
Now you peel it, little Jimmy. Yo, POV, me putting stickers on Legos. Is that a good joke?
No,
You suck.
that was a horrible joke.
Shut up, bro.
Okay.
Damn, why is the sun so bright now, bro?
So I think the optimal spot for us is gonna be like right.
Bro, I'm recording.
Well, you're supposed to know.
That's up to you. Why do you look like that?
Like,
Because back then you were him. Now you're not.
you wish you were him, bro.
You wish you're him, bro. You literally said, I understand it now.
Cause I understand.
No, you don't, bro. Like, bro,
So how am I running it
bro
through?
swears
How am I
he's in
running
an
it through?
edit.
How am I running
Bro
it through?
swears that
How
he
am I running it
squeezed
through, bro?
Lexus.
Okay.
Now that he has a dash cam, bro swears he's gonna clip everybody. But the only thing he's gonna get is his reaction when he gets pulled over, bro.
Okay. Where's your car?
You wanna see it? It's in the shop right now.
Show us your insurance card.
It's in the shop. I left it on the
Pull it
shop.
up on your phone.
Nah, my phone. That I'm waiting till I get the iPhone 16 right now, bro.
These guys are brokey, bro.
Bro, I literally got the iPhone 16. It's coming in a week, bro.
Yeah. So we're stuck in a bit of a dilemma right now. Aside from being able to install this, I forgot about the rear shade, and the rear shade is gonna hit this when I install it. So I gotta find out how low I'm gonna put this so it doesn't actually hit it. Cause there's like maybe 2 inches in between it. I'm gonna try to fit it in properly.
Right? Yeah, you good? Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna end up like YOLOing it and just running everything through first, and then we'll worry about it after. I also don't know where the other part went.
I like how you can't even see it on the camera. It just looks like you're delusional, Diego, sticking on nothing.
Really?
Yeah. Like, are you delusional, bro? What are you touching?
All right, so we're done connecting everything up together. I don't know if he can show this, but can you kind of see that? Yeah, the camera, you can see it. You're fine. Yeah, so we ended up wiring everything up. The wires are, in the best case scenario, you really can't see where they're at. You can get rid of the one that was here. The only spot where you could maybe see it is in the back, obviously where the wire is going up. Gotta flip the camera so it's not too bad. I'm excited to try this out at night and see what kind of content we could get.
All right, ready?
There's literally cement right there. What is he doing?
You ready?
We got it, pal.
It's better when they're still.
Okay, Yoshmeister, enough! Yoshmeister! I can't! No! Oh my god!
I was gonna go to the car wash, but it closes in like 2 minutes, so I'm not gonna be able to go. But I'll put some footage of the actual camera, like of itself, after at night, just because I'm gonna try to put this one so you guys can see it now. But I'm gonna try to put one of me at night and see how the night or the infrared lights do in the dark. So, and other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. We're still trying to get a 2K by 2025. I'll see you guys soon. So it's been about a week, and the footage you guys are watching right now is the footage I'm currently editing. I just had to step out to film this video for you guys. That's because the rest of the footage that I had for that video is unusable. I don't know what my brother was like what he was thinking. Who has a rooster?
You built like a rooster. Ah!
Mind you, he's filmed other videos and they've been okay, but this one, I have no idea what he was doing. Actually, now
Hey, shut up.
Now what? Wait, you didn't even record me putting this back in?
No.
So, because of that, I came back to my car, and I'm going to, this is only for the people who genuinely want to know how I installed this and how I routed the cables. I'm going to just explain that to you real quick, so you don't have this horrible footage that my brother recorded, and I don't make you guys sit through there and just watch it. Okay, so for those of you guys wondering, this is where the camera is mounted on. This is where it goes plugged into, which is the cigarette port, and that cable is getting routed through the glove box inside of where I installed the Apple CarPlay, if this opens, through there, right? And then inside of that, it's going through the side of the glove box, up the A-pillar, which we just pulled that back. That's really easy to do. And then the cable is just going through behind there, behind the ceiling, and then just coming down and plugged into the dash cam. For the back camera, the way I routed it was it went up the ceiling, through the side, down there, and then the rest of the cable is like behind this headrest. And then I just routed it out through this door here, and it's going all the way around the entire door frame, in through here, which I just pushed it in. I didn't even remove this, I just pushed the cable in. You can probably see a little bit of it right there in that corner. And then I just routed it through the side of the door, up the A-pillar, through the ceiling up top, and then back into the dash cam. All right, so is this camera worth it or not? I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. I think it is. I genuinely do. And the big key feature for this camera is that it's the best bang for buck. Now, if you get this on TikTok Shop, it's like $114, but that's not accounting for TikTok coupons, which they'll give you $50, $30. And at that point, that camera's a steal, bro, because you're not getting all, you're also getting, right, you're getting front-facing cameras, back-facing camera, interior-facing camera, then you get access to the app where you can track your speed, track your location, like, you can download the footage.
Yo.
That's us.
Yo, so if I was driving, I'd be like, oh, shoot. Oh.
Bro, it's actually kind of quick. I thought it'd be lagging a lot more.
Let's see.
This is like a mid-tier dash cam, I'd consider this. The only way you're going to get any better features is going to be if you go up $200, $250, and you're only going to get better camera quality. But the front is 4K already. The inside is 1080p, so unless you get like, 4K interior footage that you need, I don't necessarily see the point. But this is like a really good value camera. It genuinely is. And for like the first time, this is my first time installing any dash cam ever. It was really easy to do. So I'd recommend it. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. Now I do want to preface though, if you do plan on buying this camera, only if you do, there are some links down below and you can also get it on my TikTok page. I do get a commission from that, but all that money goes right back into the channel. It's not like I'm balling out and flying to Dubai. So it does help out the channel a lot. You don't have to. It's only if you're like planning on buying it. You can just support the channel out while also paying for the camera itself for yourself. And it doesn't change the price at all. But with that in mind, you don't have to. You can just go buy it anywhere else you want. You can go on Amazon. You can buy it on your own TikTok Shop. You don't have to buy it from me. But anyway, that's the end of today's video. Listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the camera, and I will be doing a 6-month update for you guys when that time comes. And I'll see you guys in the next video.